Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Maths 2B second chapter, System of Circles. Okay. Now we can start our topic. Right. So here the question is, find the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 59 is equals to 0. So here I am taking the solution for this. So here first I am taking equation of a circle in the general form. So that formula is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx. This one I am taking it as g1 and this one I am taking it as 2f1 and this one is in c1. Next, similarly, this is what 2g2 I am taking. This is what I am taking 2f2. This is what I am taking constant. You can take it as c and this is in c dash. Okay. Now here by observation I am writing 2g1 value is how much here? Minus 12. So g1 is equal to minus 6. At the same time 2f1 is equal to minus 6, f1 is equal to minus 3 and c value I am taking it as 41. Now coming to the second circle, 2g2 here I am taking, 2g2 value is in 4, right, and g2 is equals to 2. Next at the same time here I can take it as 2f2. 2f2 value is in 6, right, and f2 goes to 3. At the same time c dash value is in minus 59. Okay. Now here I am taking center 1. Center 1 is nothing but minus g1 comma minus f1, that is equal to 6 comma 3. At the same time finding r1. R1 is equal to root over g1 square plus f1 square minus c, that is equal to 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36 plus 3 square is 9 minus 41 root. So here this is equal to 36 plus 9 45, 45 minus 41 is 4. So that is root 4 is equals to 2. Okay. Next. So next here I am taking c2. c2 is nothing but minus g2 comma minus f2. So this is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. So here I am finding r2. r2 is equal to g2 square plus f2 square minus c dash. So this is equal to g2 square 4, f2 square 9, c dash minus over minus plus, so that is 59. Okay. So this is equal to root 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 59 72. So this is what? 72. 72 we can write it as in 6 root 2. 36 into 2, 36 can be written as root 36 is 6 and root 2 is as it is. Now here I am finding d. d is nothing but distance between two centers, that is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 minus 2 minus half minus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8 square plus 3 minus half here minus 3 plus 3. That is nothing but direct I am writing it as 6 square. 3 plus 3, no, that one we can write it as in 6 square. So this is equals to 8 square is 64 plus 3, 6 square is in 36. 64 plus 36, that is root 100. Root 100 can be written as 10. So here the formula is, here we have the formula. The formula is cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. This is equal to, this is the formula. So here we are applying that for that values in formula. D value is in 10, d square is nothing but 100 minus r1 value 2, r1 square is 4, r2 value 6 root 2, r2 square is 72 by 2 into 6 root 2, that is equal to 72 minus 4 76, 100 minus 76 value is in 24 by 2 into 2 4, 4 into 6 24 into root 2. Here we can cancel 24 and 24, leftover value is 1 by root 2, leftover value is 1 by root 2. So implies cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, implies theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 2, that is the question. And x square plus y square is equal to ax plus ay, and angle is given by 3 pi by 4. That one he is asking to show. Okay, right. So here first circle is given by x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square. So here I am taking first center C1. Center 1 is 0, 0, that is there in standard form, and the radius is equals to a. That one we can write it as R1. And coming to the second circle, x square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0. So here 2g is equal to minus a. So 2g E2 I am taking, that is equal to minus a. G2 is equal to minus a by 2. At the same time I am taking F2 here. 2F2 is equal to minus a. F2 is equal to minus a by 2. And here constant is not there, that can be written as 0. So here I am taking radius of the second circle. That one I am taking it as R2. So that is nothing but G2 square plus F2 square minus C. Okay. So here this is there in root. G2 square is nothing but a square by 4 plus F2 square is nothing but again a square by 4 under root. A square by 4 plus a square by 4 is 2a square by 4 under root. That is equals to a square by 2 is equal to a by root 2. This is what our R2. So here I need to find D. D is nothing but distance between two centers. One center is C1 0, 0. Another center, here I need to write another center C2. C2 is nothing but a by 2, a by 2 minus G2, minus F2, that is a by 2, a by 2. So here distance between two centers is a by 2 minus 0 whole square is nothing but a square by 4. At the same time a by 2 minus 0 is nothing but a square by 4. Same thing here also, 2a square by 4 under root. So 2 will get cancelled, a square by 2 under root, that is equal to a by root 2, a by root 2. So here we have the formula. The formula is cos theta is equal to formula d square cos theta. The formula is in d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. This is the formula. Okay. So here I am substituting the values here. So here the values are d square. D square is nothing but I can write it as a square by 2 minus r1 square. R1 value is there in a. So r1 square is a square minus r2 square, that is a by root 2, that can be written as a square by 2 by 2 into r1 a, r2 a by root 2. Okay. So here I can cancel plus symbol and minus symbol, a square by 2 and minus a square by 2 I can cancel, right. So this is equal to, leftover value is there in minus a square by 2 times of a square by root 2 is there. So here also I can cancel a square and a square, right. So here denominator root 2 is there, that will goes to numerator position root 2 by 2. Denominator 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Here again I can cancel 1 root 2. So this root 2 will be cancelled out, and leftover value is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Therefore final value is cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, implies theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. So according to the formula, cos inverse of minus theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse theta, that is equal to pi minus cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Cos inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4, LCM 4 pi minus pi by 4, that is equals to 3 pi by 4. This is the answer he is asking to show. Okay. Now we can go for the next question. Right. Here the question is like this. Show that the circles x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0 intersect each other orthogonally. This is what intersect each other. This is what intersect each other, right. Intersect each other orthogonally. Okay. So for this question we have the condition. Orthogonal condition is orthogonal condition is 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. So 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. This is the formula we need to verify here. Okay. Now, so first here first circle I am writing first circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. This is my first circle. So here I am taking 2g is equals to 4, g is equal to 2. At the same time 2f is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 11. Okay. Next I am taking second circle. Second circle is what here, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. So here I am taking g dash, second circle I am representing g dash. So 2g dash is equal to minus 4, g dash is equal to minus 2, and 2f dash is equal to minus 8, f dash is equal to minus 4, and here c dash is equal to 11. Okay. Now we need to substitute in that above formula. So here 2 into g value 2, g dash value minus 2, plus 2 into, I am substituting in this formula. Okay. F value is in minus 1 and f dash is in minus 4. is equals to c plus c dash. So here c value is there in minus 11 and c dash value is in plus 11. So here 2 into 2 4, 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, plus minus 1 into minus 4 4, 4 2s are 8, that is equal to minus 11 plus 11, implies here we can cancel minus 8 and plus 8, at the same time minus 11 and plus 11. Here leftover value is 0 is equal to 0. So here we need to verify left side value is equal to right side value when the circles intersect at orthogonal. Okay. So orthogonal condition is what? 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Right. Now go for the next question. Right. So here the question is, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0 cut orthogonally. So here just now we have taken that formula. What is that formula? 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. When we need to use this formula in the sense orthogonal. When we need to use this formula in the sense, we need to take it as in orthogonal. Okay, right. So now take the first circle, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0, and second circle given by x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. So first circle representation I am taking it as 2g is equal to x coefficient I am writing minus 6 and 2f I am writing y coefficient and leftover value constant I am writing it is in 12. Okay. So here g is equal to minus 6 by 2, that will give it as minus 3. At the same time 2f, f is equal to minus 8 by 2, that is nothing but 4. So c value is no change as it is. Same here I am taking it as second circle representation 2g dash. So 2g dash is equals to minus 4. So here g dash is equal to minus 2. At the same time 2f dash is equal to 6. F dash is equal to 3 and c dash is equals to k. C dash is equals to k. So here I need to apply the formula values here. Okay. So here the formula is like already we have written 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. In that only I need to replace 2 into minus 3 g value. G dash value is in minus 2 plus 2 into f value minus 4. F dash value is in 3 is equal to c plus c dash. C value is in 12. C dash value is in k. Okay. So now here 2 into minus 3 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12. Right. Next 2 4s are 8 minus 8 only because minus is there. Minus 8 into 3, that is minus 24. Right. Is equal to 12 plus k. So here 12 minus 24 is in minus 12, right? So implies minus 12 is equal to 12 plus k, implies k is equals to minus 12 again minus 12, that will become so minus 24. K value is in minus 24. Orthogonal condition is what? 2g dash plus 2f dash is equals to c plus c dash. Whenever we are observing the value or asking in the question to find orthogonal, we need to apply this formula. Okay. Now go for the next question. Right. Here also same thing. Right. This question you can make it as in homework. Okay. Same. Find the value of k. Given circles are in orthogonal. Okay, now go for the next question. Right, so here the question is find the radical axis of given two circles. Okay, so in general we need to take equation of a circle, coefficient of x square and y square should be same, and that is equals to 1. But here the equation of the circle is there in multiplied by 2. So here 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. In second circle 3 is there. So to get in balanced equation, this circle entirely I am multiplying with 3. Second circle coefficient I am multiplying. Okay, implies this will become 6x square plus 6y square plus 3 3s are 9x plus 3 6 are 18y minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 0. This one I am taking it as in yes. Okay, and the second circle is 3x square. I am writing as it is. First 3x square plus 3y square minus 7x plus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. So to get in balanced value, I am multiplying with 2. First circle is multiplied 2. Coefficients are there. So first circle coefficient I am multiplying for second circle. Second circle coefficient I am multiplying for first circle. Right? This implies, so 3 into 2, that is nothing but 6. 6x square plus 6y square. Now x and y coefficient, x square y square coefficients are balanced. Okay. So here 2 into minus 7, that is minus 14x, and 2 8s are that is in 16y, right, plus 22 is equal to 0. This one I am taking it in S dash. Okay. Now radical axis. What it is? Radical axis is the formula is S minus S dash is equals to 0. What is radical axis formula? S minus S dash is equal to 0. This implies first circle minus second circle, right? So at the time of my doing minus, symbols will change. Minus, minus, plus, minus, minus. Okay. Here we can cancel the similar terms. 6x square and 6y square will get cancelled out. Right. Next, leftover value 9. 9 plus 14. Right here 9 plus 14. Next, 9 plus 14 in the sense 14. 15 plus 8, 23x. Okay, that is in 23x. Next, 8, 18, that is there in 18. 18 minus 16, 18 minus 16 is what? 2. So plus 18 is there now, plus 2y, and minus 15 minus 22. Here minus 22 is there, minus 15 and minus 22, that is minus 37. Minus 15 and minus 22, that is what? Minus 37. Okay, this is equals to 0. Okay, that is the radical axis. What is radical axis? So first we need to check coefficient of x square and y square should be same in both equations. If it is not there in the same, we need to like this, by multiplying second circle coefficient to the first circle and first circle coefficient to the second circle, balancing coefficient of x square and y square, eliminate, you will get, or you can make it as first circle minus second circle after balancing. Okay. Now go for the next question, number 7. Right. So here the question is find the equation of the common chord of the circle. Equation of the common chord of the circle. Two circles are given, right? So here coefficient of x square and y square should be same. So direct I am taking first circle, yes, I am taking s is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Second circle I am representing it as in S dash, right? Equivalent symbol we need, right? S dash, that is nothing but x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. So here I need to go for S minus S dash is equal to 0. So here we need to remember one thing. Formula is common chord, next to common tangent, next to radical axis. For all the three chances, we need to use the formula S minus S dash is equal to 0. This is the formula in all the three cases. What all the three? First one is the common chord, and second one is in common tangent, and third one is in radical axis. For all the three chances, we need to use S minus S dash is equal to 0, or first circle minus second circle is equal to 0. This is possible when, in the sense, coefficient of x square y square should be same in both equations. Okay, right. So now this implies at the time of doing subtraction, symbols will change, right? So minus, plus, this will become minus, right? So you are taking in minus now, so x square will get cancelled, at the same time y square will get cancelled, right? Minus 4 plus 5, that is nothing but x, minus 4 plus 6, so that is nothing but plus 2y, and 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. That is the answer. What is our answer? X plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. In the question, what he is asking? Common chord. So here we need to remember one thing. What is one thing in the sense? So equation of common chord, radical axis, right, and common tangent. Okay. So for all the three cases, we need to take S minus S dash is equals to 0. Okay. Now go for the next question. So here also the same thing. In the question he is asking equation of common chord of the circles. So circles are there in standard form. Okay. So we need to convert into the original function by expanding like this. Direct I am writing S is equal to x square plus y square. Next here minus 2x, direct I am writing that value, minus 2by plus a square, right, plus b square minus c square is equal to 0, right. Next, so I am taking second circle is in S dash, same thing this also, x square plus y square, here 2bx, this is there in minus 2bx minus 2ay, right, plus same thing a square plus b square minus c square is equal to 0. Here we are observing the word common chord. Common chord, just now we have the formula, or just now we discussed about that formula. That is what? S minus S dash is equal to 0. So here at the time of doing S minus S dash, in the sense second circle equation symbols will change. So I am applying that only. Minus, this will become plus, again plus, minus, plus. So here we can cancel that similar values, right? X square will get cancelled, at the same time y square will get cancelled, right? And again here a square, b square will get cancelled, a square will get cancelled, and c square will get cancelled, right? Right, here b square will get cancelled. Right. So leftover values here I am writing plus 2bx minus 2ax. Next, plus 2ay minus 2by is equal to 0. So here I can take a common. Here I can take common x. In that condition, this will become 2b minus 2a. Here again I am taking common minus y. In that condition, I am writing it as 2b minus 2a is equal to 0. Entirely 2b minus 2a I can take it as in common, right? So x minus y is equal to 0. So here this implies 2b minus 2a is not equal to 0 because a is not equal to b is given. So here 2b minus 2a is not equals to 0. Hence the leftover value is x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the common chord of the given circles. Okay. Now go for the next question. Right. Here the question is same. What is the question? Find the equation of the common chord to the circles x square plus y square plus 10x plus 10x minus 2y plus 22 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. And at the point of contact, same thing here, we need to apply the formula. What it is? S minus S dash is equal to 0. Only this process only we need to apply for finding the equation of common tangent. Okay. So, first circle minus second circle, you will get that answer, right? This question is in homework. Okay. Now, go for the next question. Right. Here the question is like this. Find if the angles between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 is equal to 0, x square plus y square plus kx minus 6y minus 59 is equal to 0. Then find the value of k. Right. Here we need to take equation of a circle in the general form. In that we need to compare with the given equations with that given circle, right? After comparison, we can get that value of G, F and C, and at the same time we can get the radius of the given circles also. Okay, right. Now we need to solve that question. Right. So here solution. So from this I can get the values of 2g is equal to minus 12, g is equal to minus 6. Next 2f is equal to minus 6 and f is equal to minus 3. Here c is equals to 41 from the first circle. Okay. Now coming to the second circle, 2g dash I am taking, that is equal to k, right? G dash is equal to k by 2. G dash is equal to k by 2. And here next I am taking here f dash. So that is in 2 f dash is equal to minus 6. F dash is equal to minus 3, right? And c dash here I am taking, that is minus 59. So here we have the formula. The formula is cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2g g dash minus 2f dash, okay, by 2 root g square plus f square minus c into root second circle radius. So g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash, right? Here in the question, angle theta is given by 45 degrees. In the question, angle theta is given by 45 degrees. So here we need to substitute those values in this formula. Okay. So here cos 45 degrees is equals to here c value is there in minus c value is there in 41, right? So here I am substituting those values here. 41, c dash is there in minus 59, okay, minus 2 into g value is in minus 6, g dash is there in k by 2, right? And minus 2 into f value is there in minus 3, right? F dash is in 3 by 2 into root over g square. So g square in the sense 6 square, that is 36. Next f square 3 square 9, and minus 41. C value plus 41 is there, but here minus c, I need to write it here minus. So minus 41 by g dash square. G dash square is nothing but k square by 4 plus k square by 4 here plus f square, f dash square is minus 3 square, that is nothing but 9, and c dash is then minus. So minus over minus, here we can write it as in plus, that is plus 59. Here cos 45 value is there in 1 by root 2. So this is equals to, here we can cancel 2 into 2, here we can cancel, so here we can cancel 2 and 2 here, right? So leftover values are 41 minus 59. 41 minus 59 is nothing but minus 18. 2 to cancel, minus minus to plus, here 6k, right? 2 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 18, right? So this is there in plus 18, right, by 2 times of root 2, 36 plus 9, 45, 45 minus 41, 4 into 59 plus 9, 68. So here k square by 4 plus 68. So this implies here we can cancel minus 18 and plus 18, right? And root 4 we can write it as into. Okay. Now, so here this implies 1 by root 2 is equal to 6k by 2 into root k square by 4 plus 68. Okay. Here we can cancel. So right. So cross multiplying denominator, we are getting 2 into k square by 4 plus 68 root is equal to 3 into root 2 into k. So squaring on both sides, SOBS, squaring on both sides implies 4 into k square by 4 plus 68 is equal to 3 into 3 square is 9 into 2 into k square, right? So here multiply 4 inside, 4 into k square by 4 plus 4 into 68 is equal to 9 2s are 18 k square. So here 4 will get cancelled out, right? So implies 4 into 68 is equal to 18 k square. Here leftover 1 k square is there, that I am turning to right side, minus k square. So that is nothing but 17 k square is equal to 4 into 68. We can cancel in 17 table. 17 1s are 17 4s are 17 4s are. So here leftover values are implies k square is equal to 16, implies k is equal to plus or minus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you.